First mover Asia, Bitcoin crosses $31,000 after spot BTC ETF issuers begin refiling. Plus, the first half of 2023 has so far been very promising for the crypto majors. Good morning. Here's what's happening. Prices. The market is optimistic that refiled Bitcoin ETF applications have legs. Insights. Crypto majors are up in a big way during the first half of 2023 as the market repairs the damage from last year's catastrophes. Prices. Bitcoin crosses $31,000 after Bitcoin ETF issuers begin refiling. Happy 4th of July. While many parts of the U.S. are off for an extended long weekend, market action has been tame. Bitcoin began the Tuesday business day in Asia past the $31,000 mark at $31,153 as the world's largest digital asset rallied on Monday after a few prospective Bitcoin ETF issuers refiled their applications. Enthusiasm for Bitcoin is growing, propelled by efforts to revive spot Bitcoin ETF applications. Rachel Lin, CEO and co-founder of SynFutures, told CoinDesk in a note. Its commanding presence in the crypto market is increasingly evident, making up nearly half of the industry's $1.2 trillion market cap, the most dominant it's been in over 2 years. The CoinDesk Market Index CMI is up 18 points to 1,318. Meanwhile, prices of NFTs seem to be becoming disconnected from the price of Ether as trading volume plummets. The Bored Ape Yacht Club's NFT collection hit a new low since October 2021 with a floor price dropping below 30 ETH $58,700, an effective halving since April, reflecting a broader slump in the NFT market. But considering Ether's continued performance, there seems to be more confidence in the protocol than this use case. Insights. Last year was a rough year for crypto. A saga that began with rising interest rates and continued through the year with the crash of Duquan's Luna, Three Arrows Capital's collapse, and finally FTX. Data from Messari shows that 2023 has fared much better. During the first half of the year, crypto majors, meaning the 43 tokens with a market cap of over $1 billion, were up an average of 34%. In comparison, this same group of tokens declined an average of 56% for the same period last year. So far this year, Bitcoin is up 6% compared to a fall-off of nearly 60% for the first half of 2022. But of all the major assets, Bitcoin Cash BCH performed the best, up a whopping 203% so far this year. As CoinDesk has previously reported, technical improvements to the protocol and the introduction of a framework that would allow for the development of dApps has likely pushed up investor interest in the asset class. Other standout performers for the period include liquid staking platform Lido DAO LDO, which rallied in February on comments from U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission SEC Chair Gary Gensler's about a staking ban, and then on the shuttering of Kraken's staking service. Solana is also up 93% during the first half of the year, raising prospects for the Layer 1 protocol, whose total value soared at the height of the 2021 bull market but then plummeted with the rest of crypto during 2022's dark days. Important events. U.S. July 4 Independence Day holiday 12:30 p.m. HKT/SGT 4:30 a.m. UTC. Reserve Bank of Australia interest rate decision. CoinDesk TV. In case you missed it, here is the most recent episode of First Mover on CoinDesk TV. Brett Harrison on spot Bitcoin ETF race, crypto market outlook for July. Architect, CEO, and former FTX U.S. President Brett Harrison joined First Mover to discuss the recent flurry of spot Bitcoin ETF applications in the U.S. and his outlook on the intersection of artificial intelligence with financial services. Plus, Coinbase institutional head of research David Duong shared his crypto markets outlook for July. And Superstate CEO Robert Leshner discussed plans to create a short-term government bond fund using the Ethereum blockchain as a secondary record-keeping tool. Headlines. Three Arrows founders to donate future earnings to creditors in spirit of karma. The hedge fund that filed for bankruptcy last year has been roasted by victims and crypto industry observers in the wake of its epic collapse, but one partner, Kyle Davies, says karma motivates the founders to give back. BlackRock Bitcoin ETF application refiled, naming Coinbase as surveillance sharing partner. Refiled application by Nasdaq 2. List of BlackRock Bitcoin ETF follows a report last week that the SEC deemed earlier proposals inadequate since they didn't specify the name of the underlying market in so-called surveillance sharing agreements. How central bankers are reshaping the definition of money. Central bankers acknowledge that the nature of money evolves with technology, shifting definitions of money with it. But they're not ready to let innovation occur organically as technology emerges. They want to maintain control. Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT floor price sinks to 20-month low. The floor price of the Yuga Labs NFT collection fell to 27.4 ETH, or about $53,000, on Sunday evening before rebounding slightly.